Nyana kwa nini nitawandekia Muthanga? Kana mwanao kibatikine ngomba oza chosia mundu etho sa matumbi atweka celebrity na mukunanga moko governor ndio naiwa hata mheshimiwa yula wa titani kongi era wata nilisike songo former governor. So I want to introduce myself. I am the person who you can see in social media called the Muthanga. Stella Mengele took me at the market. I was selling eggs, and she saw I have the gift, and from there she started assisting me, and she's the mom who was fighting by people because she told by people you are not supposed to take the chocolate to the market and to become the celebrity because this person can go there. So and she just comes and for now niwona matunda ma mwana kisungwe jalili musomu asante koni tunge nya kwa mubea nono ni wanenge etunda na aditeze seno kila umundi una nina sinyako kumwe ningwe ni mubingi ya nombani na kideka na ngaka ni mwite mubingo. Wow. Mamu wesuja yani kibetiki nitaonengwe heshima yani chosa mundu sokoni indisu na kitana nini makaniye bana mutwike na wana ina saubia imbesa ngani musoni mudhoni nunga nesa na ndi mamuona kinengo chaba nambe ningo utendya na endi wake ndo chuma muweke kiwende banye nasi akweli kibetikine ngombao na bana yeye mamu neina nisunge na mamu ambe sunge ya Yesu na ndaga ngwana ngale ketwa dichadini indi yango ni asimwambe teka dhati na mwandi ibini si bebe tinoga na ibini ngali zao na ndimo somu mamu asandi nenda munenga wadi wa Christmas kala kaende